Annotating images with polylines in Google Slides is a powerful way to elevate your presentations, allowing you to highlight specific areas with precision and creativity. Whether you're tracing routes on a map or outlining important sections in a diagram, polylines give you the flexibility to create custom dynamic annotations that engage your audience and enhance the visual storytelling of your slides. So, in this video, let's dive into how you can use the Polyline tool to annotate your images and make your presentations more interactive. For example, let's say I have a map of the United States on this slide, and I want to highlight a specific area, like a particular state, using the Polyline tool. First, click on the drop down menu and select the Polyline tool. From there, you can start tracing the outline of the state by clicking along its edges. Each click creates a new endpoint, gradually forming the shape as you move along. Once you connect back to your starting point, the polyline automatically closes, turning your traced path into a custom shape that highlights the area perfectly. If the shape isn't quite perfect, don't worry. You can easily refine it. Simply right-click on the shape and select Edit Points, which allows you to adjust the endpoints individually. This gives you full control to fine-tune the outline and turn it into the exact shape you need, ensuring your annotation is precise and polished. To enhance your annotation further, you can customize the shape's colors by adjusting the fill and border options, making it stand out even more. Additionally, you can complement the polyline with a simple line to direct attention and a text label to provide context or explanations. Finally, to really elevate the visual appeal, it's always a good idea to add animations. By animating the polyline, line, and label, you can guide your audience's attention step by step, making your presentation more dynamic and engaging. A well timed animation can make your annotations not only more informative but also visually captivating. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily use the Polyline tool to create impactful and engaging annotations for your presentations. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.